I think for 1 week my practice session is totally breakdown. Just take so many other type of drink like cold drink and so many things, but we just forget the very basic and free things. That is water.
Give me one word, I will describe. Your discipline. Because sometimes it's happen people don't follow the discipline and they cross the line and they take like a different we can say they go different place, they take any bad habits their life. So hi, how have you been so far?
Ma'am, it's going good, and thank you for asking me. And what about you, ma'am?
Yeah, I am full of beans today. Thank you asking for me. And how is your practice going on? How is the day so far going on?
Ma'am, I think for 1 week my practice session is totally breakdown just because of my sister's wedding, and due to this wedding, I am totally indulged to fulfill my responsibility, and now I am free, and I just try to come back and restart my practice.
So, did you enjoy your sister marriage? She is elder than you and she is younger than you.
She is elder than me.
Elder than you. Okay. So, did you enjoy that like your daughter sister marriage?
Yes, ma'am, but not too much.
Because I can understand because when we have any marriage function at home, so we can't
Yes,
enjoy
ma'am.
too much because we have to do a lot of things. We have to take
Yes,
care
ma'am.
for like family members and relative also.
There are
I
so many works we are just doing, and we don't have time to enjoy. Ma'am, we just enjoy only others' wedding, not at home wedding. So it's very
Yes,
difficult. But I will.
true.
Yes, ma'am.
Because if you enjoy any other's marriage, if you go any other marriage function, so we can enjoy. But if you have any marriage function at home, we can't enjoy like other. We can't
Yes, ma'am.
spend time.
Yes, ma'am. And ma'am, during wedding time at home, I feel so much pressure because there are so many things. Relatives are there, and at the same time, my sister have very less time to spend here, their uh, home. After marriage, he settled full time for his the second house. So there are so many things is going in a very fast space.
Yes, I can understand. So, now you started your practicing again. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
on the track right now.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, you know, ma'am. Uh, I can say this conversational video and when I'm talking to other person, I feel so happy and I feel motivated. And when I'm not able to connect to anyone, that time I feel demotivated, sad because I enjoy this process to connect new person, to interact new person, to talk with something different. So yeah,
Yeah,
ma'am.
because I also when I connect to anyone, I enjoy that this process and I enjoy the conversation because now these days I am into this language and I am enjoying this process and I upload that video at my channel. At least I try to take at least one session every day.
Yes, ma'am. I also try to take one or two session every single day because, ma'am, speaking is the most important and very crucial thing we have to just maintain and just keep going.
Yes, right. So did you take any session today?
Yes, ma'am. I think 5 minutes ago I just completed one session.
Okay, okay. So how
Yes,
was that session? Like it was going on fantastic.
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So before diverting the session, I would love to know about yourself little bit.
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, as you know, I'm a aspiring learner of English communication skill, and my name is Balon Singh Kushwaha. I am from Ghazipur district in Uttar Pradesh. I completed my B.Ed in 2024. If I'm talking about my hobbies, so I love dancing and being creative. So that's all about me, ma'am.
Okay, it's a great introduction. So, as you already know, because I am delighted to introduce myself in front of you. As you already know, my name is Pooja Verma. I am from UP. I am living Kanpur. I have completed my postgraduate in education, and I am mother of two kids. And my YouTube channel is running by the name of Real English Talks with Pooja, and I am learning and growing. That's all about me.
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, your birthplace is Kanpur, or you just after marriage you just settle down in Kanpur?
After marriage, I am living Kanpur. Before marriage, I used to live in village.
Okay, ma'am.
Like to play some activity. Okay, I
Yes,
will
ma'am.
give you one word. You can describe. After describing, you can give me one word. I will describe. Okay. So,
Okay, ma'am.
my first word is water.
So, ma'am, water is a very essential thing in our life. Without water, we can't survive. And, ma'am, nowadays we take so many other type of drink like cold drink and so many things, but we just forget the very basic and free things, that is water.
Yes. And you can give me one word. I will describe.
Zenzi.
What is means Jinji?
Zenzi.
Zanji.
Yes, ma'am.
First, tell me what is in Hindi. What is means Jinji? Because I heard it first time.
uh, the uh, mm, the person who take birth around, I think, 2000 to 2005,
Mhm.
if I'm not wrong. Yes, ma'am. So the time period is called Gen Z. I can say I am a Gen Z.
Okay, just like if any person gave birth in earlier days, am I right?
Yes, ma'am. I think 1997 to 2025. During this
Okay,
period, the person who's take birth is called Gen Z, and before we called millennials.
millennial.
Yes,
Oh,
ma'am.
okay. You can give me another word because I can't describe because I can't understand your points also. Gingy, because I can understand Gingy, but what can I describe in Gingy?
Gen Z. Okay, ma'am. So consistency.
Okay, yeah, it's a good point. So consistency is very important for everyone. We can say it is necessary for everyone because if you want to enhance your vocabulary, if you want to enhance your communication, if you want to enhance your speaking, so you should follow the consistency. And it doesn't matter you are beginner and you are intermediate and you are middle level, everyone need to consistency, so we should follow the consistency every day, and definitely sooner or later we will achieve their goal. So yes, consistency, that is means consistency. Okay, my next point is sorry.
Ma'am, sorry. I think this word is meant for boys. If boys, if boys make any mistake, then sorry. If not, then also sorry. So yeah, it relate with only boys, not
Yeah,
for not for girls.
yeah, but I would like to mention at least two and three points about the sorry. because sorry is very small word but it works very large way. Because if you after fighting to each other, if you say sorry to each other, so you can solve the relationship, you can solve the your friendship, you can save your friendship, you can build your relationship strong, because saying sorry to each other,
Yes,
and you
yes,
can reduce the fight, and you can
yes,
live happily together in your life. So it's a
yes.
very small word, it works very large way for everyone. Okay, you can give me one word.
Money.
Money. Oh, okay. So money is very important for everyone. Without money we can't do anything, because if you want to live luxury life, if you want to happy, so everything we can buy from the money. Because like if you have money you can send your children good school. If you have money you can provide good environment, good future. So I think money is very important for everyone. Without money we can't buy anything, we can't eat good food, we can't live happily together. Because money, we can say money is part of life. Without money we are nothing.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. My second, AC.
AC. AC is a very good thing for cooling and give you the coolness in summer season. And I think uh, uh, in India most people is using AC.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
you can give me.
Dowry.
Dowry. Oh my God. Okay. So, people shouldn't take dowry because it is evil eyes, we can say. Because like a groom family, bridal family member have to face a lot of problem during the marriage. Because a groom family member like they ask too much salary, too much, not salary, too much dowry. And like bridal family member have to give dowry because they don't have any option. And at that time, because if you give good dowry for groom family members, so your daughter will sister and your daughter will live happy together them. Otherwise, if you will not give good dowry them, they will torture after marriage, they will torture and they will taunt them. Your family member didn't give good dowry for me. Because I think people shouldn't take dowry, but it is ritual, we can say. It is ritual, everyone give dowry for their daughters and their boy.
Okay.
Yes. Okay.
So
Next
next
one,
what?
motivation.
What, ma'am?
Motivation.
Yes, ma'am. I think motivation is a very best source to do anything, and we are a human being, and sometimes we feel sad, then we need to any kind of motivation that push you to do your work. And without motivation we can't do anything. If we see in our area, so many people is doing something work related to any motivation, like family motivation and some kids motivation there are. So I think motivation is a very essential thing in our life.
Yes, you can give me.
Discipline.
Discipline. Okay, so discipline is very important for everyone. Because if your family member give suggestion and any like they set the boundaries for you, so you should follow. Because if they are saying something for you, so in future you will realize it is good and bad. Because it is good. Because discipline is we can say, if you follow the discipline you can do something new in your future. Like suppose like sometimes family members say you should follow the discipline, you should live your discipline, because sometimes it's happen people don't follow the discipline and they cross the line, and they take like a different we can say they go different place, they take any bad habits their life. So discipline is very important.
Yes.
Okay. uh, Mobile.
Mobile. I think mobile is a tool we can talk to anyone. But nowadays, I think mobile it's a your partner. We just use everywhere, not only in a social place. We just use everywhere, and without phone, without mobile, we can't live. And nowadays, it's very important. You have to just one mobile phone.
Yes, it is very important for everyone, because
Yes, ma'am.
nowadays mobile is, we can say,
So many
like,
things, yes, ma'am. So many things depend on your mobile phone. Nowadays, I am recording this video. I have a conversation with you just because of mobile phone. Otherwise, I can't do this. So it's very,
everyone have like a good mobile and they can do everything from the mobile. Online
yes, ma'am.
classes, pay the fees, and pay the online fees, Bizly, electricity bill, we can say, and everything we can do.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so yeah, it was nice conversation. And did you like this activity?
Yes, ma'am. I think this is my first time when I do this activity, and it's very helpful, and I also enjoy this activity, ma'am.
You know, I always do like that activity, because sometime when we talk to each other like every day, it is very monotonous. Okay, sometimes we feel we don't feel like doing practice, so like, and while talking we forget the word. And while talking, sometime if I say, do you have any topic? No, I don't have any topic. We can give at least one word to each other, we can discuss to each other. At least we will learn some new word, new vocabulary, and new like you will grab some knowledge also about all topic, all questions, all new word.
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am,
According to my
yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, would you like to discuss any another topic, or you just continue with any interesting activity?
now, because now it's like in 20 minutes. Okay,
No, ma'am. In another video.
another video. Yeah, definitely I will try again. Any
Yes,
like
ma'am.
that activity, because there are so many activity, because I love to play activity more.
Ma'am, I also play this type of activity more and more.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
so bye bye. Have a nice day. It was a nice conversation with you. Thank you for your precious time.
Thank you, ma'am, for giving this opportunity. And I think it's very interesting and fruitful conversation. And I enjoy this activity, ma'am. And I also want to do this activity more and more.
Yeah, definitely, definitely.